G'day campers, Justin from 230. Today we're going to unbox and install a Peregrine shower unit to the Tacoma. So first things first, obviously we need to very carefully undo the box. Don't stick your knife through the sides of the cardboard. Just cut the tape where you find it's necessary and the whole thing will just come undone for you. Okay, we're getting to the bag now. We're going to find one little bag that looks like that. That's our hardware, nuts and bolts. And of course, the actual shower itself. Now on the back of the shower, you'll notice it's got these two sets of tracks orientated to the front so you can see which way is the upward. The logo needs to read correctly, so this is facing the right way. We're going to get into our little bag of goodies in the back. And in the goodies bag, we're going to find the necessary hardware bracket kit. It runs a really simple 2-bracket hardware system. So there's a variety of different ways you can go about mounting this unit. Thankfully, on the Prinsu rack that we've got mounted, it already allows some tracks on the top. And we've already gone ahead and put some bolts up there ready waiting for us. So in here we're going to find some stakes there for later, bracket kit, never runs smoothly when the camera's on you, under pressure. Here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuts, bolts. They're nylock stainless steel. They are designed to fit into the back of the actual shower unit track itself. And again, it's really simple. We're just going to slide that little guy up. And we want to put 2 brackets on, of course. We have 2. So don't worry about where these adjust to, because you can reorientate this a little bit later on. There you go, nuts and bolts, just put them on loose there for the minute. Now again, we've already got our bolts mounted at the top, so we're going to save those guys because we've already got 2 on the brackets anyway. So for those of you that work in a imperial world, you'll find the size of these nuts and bolts, they are metric. So they run a 10mm head or 7/16 for those that don't have a 10mm head, 7/16. So we've got those guys kind of roughly started. We're going to go to the truck now. We're going to line everything up on the vehicle. Again, it never works when you're on the video. Come on. Here we go. All right, now we're going to go to the truck. We're going to get it lined up on the truck and bolt everything up. So we're almost at my favourite part now, where we fast forward some stuff. Right. Now, folks, we'd probably come back and put some longer bolts on, but that gives you a bit of an idea on how this guy's going to work. We're going to show you how to use the shower now, and we'll come back and we'll fix these bolts at the end of the video. But again, realistically, you should put a nylock nut on the top and or some washers. So we'll come back to that in a while. Okay, so now we've got our shower mounted. It's nice and firm. Let's see how this little guy operates. It's very simple. Flip the top of the cover, 2 Velcro straps like that. The shower actually just drops down, and then we have one arm that comes over the top and one arm that comes under the bottom. So have to do the top arm first, like that. We lock that in position, like that. Lock that in position. Now in this case, that shower is actually hanging pretty close to the ground, so let's just adjust the height a little bit. and you work your way around till you get it till it's pretty well even for where you want it to sit. And there's our shower unit ready to go. The zipper doorway is up the back here. Take it in. So there we go, folks. Shower's ready. I'm going to use it. We'll catch you guys in a while. Well, let's have a look at some of the smaller details on the shower that you can't see from the outside. So first thing to see is there's a silver lining on the inside. This reduces the amount of silhouetting that you could possibly get, so everybody feels comfortable. This is the bracket system that we use. So again, it's fairly simple over center style bracket, push, lock, and away we go. We're going to move to the center, and here is your shower head holder. There we go. So that's where you can have your shower rose up the top there. And then as we move down from that, you'll notice this section in the middle, it's got these two zippers that run about probably 1/3 of the way down. Now they're there for a special reason. They're there to get into your shower unit that may be mounted on your trailer or on the back wall of the vehicle. On this side we see our soap holder, very important. And we're going to go down to the bottom here, all the way to the bottom. And on the bottom, right, there we go. So you'll find that this is hard. This is actually a weighted rod. And it's a weighted rod so it keeps everything nice and taut. And then in the corners, you'll see somewhere to put your guy ropes, stakes, to keep this thing from blowing about while you're in here.